So about you, what do you prefer using?
I haven't tried Final Cut because I never had a Mac. I'm always a PC user.
Okay.
So I only tried Premiere. Premiere Pro is the one you taught me,
Yeah.
which I was able to learn in just one day.
That's a very fast thing.
One day, and that's already editing a client
Yeah.
video.
And that client is already multi-camera video.
Multi-camera podcast. It's actually
Podcast,
a
yeah, it's actually a
podcast.
podcast.
Yes. So I think for me, Premiere is easy to learn
Okay.
also. Since I am a freelancer, I talk to different clients already.
Mm-hmm.
And most of them ask if I have a Premiere software.
So most of your clients prefer Premiere.
Yes.
Okay.
Because the advantage of Premiere is that it has a collaboration
Yeah.
feature.
Yeah.
I think that's the main feature that they don't have on DaVinci and Final Cut.
I think they're adding up the feature,
Mhm.
but it's not as smooth as the Premiere.
Premiere, yeah.
And then I think that's why they asking if you're using Premiere, because there's a lot of Premiere user
Yes.
around the world. So most of the editors are using Premiere.
Yes.
That's why.
And corporate use Premiere because so that they can collaborate with
Yeah.
editors.
That's the good thing about Adobe.
Mm.
You can collaborate on different software,
Mhm.
not just different editors, but also collaborating on different software is seamless. You
From
can use
Adobe.
from Adobe. Yeah, from Adobe.
Like you can use files from Photoshop,
Yeah.
Illustrator,
Mm.
Adobe Audition.
Audition, especially Audition.
They're collaborated with
Yeah,
each
you
other.
can just link it up to Premiere and
Yes.
then it's very easy.
It's very easy.
Unlike if you're using you can say Final Cut and then you need to clean up your audio on different software, you need to export this audio and then add it to Final Cut. This adds up if you're using it very often. So it adds up the time
Mhm.
on your editing. So that's a good thing about Adobe.
Right.
They're doing it seamlessly for Adobe users. Yeah, that's a good thing.
That's a good thing. Yeah, I agree. And the next thing is the problem. I agree that it's slow.
Yeah. Especially on low hardware
Yes.
PC.
PC.
It's slow. Yeah.
When you add effects, you cannot play it back very smooth. So
Yeah.
that's my problem.
Okay.
And right now, recently, the Ali Abdal style of editing
Mhm.
is getting famous, which is to remove the background.
Yes.
So in Adobe Premiere, you can remove the background by using After Effects,
Okay.
using the rotoscope.
Okay.
But if you do that, it's gonna be very slow on Premiere already.
Okay.
Playing that without background.
Yes.
So I tried to find alternatives.
Okay.
That's where I found CapCut
Mm-hmm.
and DaVinci.
Okay.
So let's talk about CapCut first.
Mm-hmm.
CapCut, I think it's very user friendly.
Yeah.
It's user friendly because adding effects is easy because they are preset.
Mm-hmm.
There are a lot of assets also. For example, picture of something that is already animating. It's like a sticker.
Yes.
They have
yes.
stickers that are
It's like
animating.
it's like GIF.
Yes.
Yeah, you just add it up and then it's already animated.
It's
Yeah.
already animated. So there are a lot of that presets. For also for text. They
Mhm.
have a lot of text
Animations.
animation too.
Yeah.
And transitions.
Mhm.
They have those. But when you want to customize something,
Yeah.
that is my problem with CapCut.
So CapCut is good when you're just using
Presets.
but if you want on your own style, it's very hard.
It's very hard.
Okay, that's the cons of CapCut.
CapCut.
If you want fast editing, this crazy stuffs, you can
Go
just
CapCut.
go CapCut and then just add this templates and then tak,
Yeah.
finish already.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can remove the background
Yeah.
real quick in seconds.
And then you can do that also on your phone.
on your phone.
That's
It's crazy.
that's a powerful thing
It's
on
very
this.
powerful
Yeah,
thing.
this CapCut. But as you said, if you need your own style,
Mhm.
it's very hard to do it on CapCut.
Yes, because there are a lot of presets in Premiere.
Okay.
So there are presets in CapCut, but there are more presets in Premiere.
Yes.
But if you use it, if you use
It's a little
them,
bit slow.
they're slow.
Yes.
But in CapCut, use all their presets,
Yeah.
it's fast.
Okay.
No lag.
I think that's boils down to I was talking this about
Mm.
back then to you. The code that they use on creating,
Software.
yeah, the software of this Premiere is very old.
Mm.
Unlike the CapCut, it's optimized
Mhm.
on on the our hardware now.
Mm.
So
Even mobile
yeah,
devices,
mobile devices
they
you can,
optimize the
yeah,
hardware.
that's why it's very fast.
Mm.
So we don't know those very technical stuff, but I think that's the reason.
Mm.
So yeah. So if you want fast editing, bang bang bang, do
CapCut.
CapCut.
Yeah.
But if you want it more personalized,
Mhm.
your own brand,
Yeah.
you suggest
Premiere.
Premiere. Okay.
Yes. I really want faster video editing software.
Okay.
So I tried CapCut. It doesn't work for me. I tried Davinci.
Okay.
Because Davinci, you can do a lot of animation, custom
Okay.
animation. So I tried it and it's fast.
Okay.
It's
I think because the software is new,
yeah.
so it's also optimized.
Yeah, I think it's the same fast as CapCut
Okay.
because I tried to remove the
So
background.
you're using this on the same laptop you have.
Yes,
Okay.
same laptop. And then I removed the background. It's very quick. I threw all the assets I can find,
Okay.
like multiple layers of effects,
Okay.
just to try it out.
Yeah.
It's not lagging.
It's still working.
It's still working. The playback is
Yeah.
smooth.
No skip frames or drop
No
frames.
drop
Okay.
frames. So on Premiere, you just add one effect,
Yeah.
one Mogart.
Yeah.
That's what they call it.
Yeah.
It's lagging already.
Yeah.
It's dropping
So
frames.
you need to render this again.
Yes.
And then if you move just anything a bit, you need to render it again.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
That's the problem of
it's
Premiere.
slow.
Yeah.
In DaVinci, I
Throw anything you want.
throw anything you
Huh.
want. I tried one
Mm.
effect, and then it's not like this. I'm not putting them after one another. I'm
Okay.
putting on top
Yeah.
of each other.
So the effect is acting on at the same time.
Yeah, all the same time. I think I put 6 animations,
Animations.
and they're heavy.
Yeah.
Those are heavy animations.
Okay.
They're not easy animation, and it's playing back very smooth.
Okay.
So I said to myself, "This is the software."
Yeah.
Right?
You
So
need. Okay.
I tried to study it.
Okay.
That's where my challenge. That's where the cons comes
Okay.
in DaVinci. So there are a lot of trainings about DaVinci. You
Mm.
can learn it, but it's not easy
Okay. Why?
because in DaVinci you can do a lot of stuff
Mm.
more than Premiere do
Okay.
for me.
Okay.
Because on text you can do a lot of animation already, just a text
Okay.
layer. I think that is the reason why it got complicated because you can do a lot of things in DaVinci.
Mm.
So there are a lot of options.
Okay. Lots of plugins.
A lot of yeah.
Stock plugins.
Mm. And then the animation part, which is the fusion,
Okay.
they integrated it in DaVinci.
Okay.
So in Adobe, Premiere Pro is for
It's
video
separated.
editing. For effects, it's After
After
Effects.
Effects,
But
yeah.
they are integrated.
Okay.
In DaVinci, they
In
combine.
the same program. Yeah.
Yeah. But the problem is for the fusion, the nodes.
Mm.
So how they do it is very different from Adobe.
Yeah. It
They
has
use
a different
nodes.
approach. Yeah.
Yeah. You can search this, guys. Adobe DaVinci nodes.
Yeah.
So that's how they do animation. So you will think about what animation to put in
Okay.
on this video, and then you think again where to connect the nodes.
Yeah.
So it's another thing to study.
Okay.
It's It's really good software, hands down. It's free. It's the perfect software,
Yeah.
but you need to give time
Yeah.
to study it.
So there's a learning curve on this software,
Yes.
but there's a lot of potential.
There's a lot of potential.
Yeah. So,
I'm about to leave Premiere
Premiere.
yeah,
Yeah.
because of this potential. But as of now, I can't because I can't do the projects that I am handling
Yes, yes.
be- because
That's
I
the
can't
other
master
thing.
it right
Yeah.
away.
So if you want to learn this, you need it. It will take time.
It will take
Yeah,
time.
and then after you mastered it, that's the time you can say you can switch
Yes.
on another software, because as you said, there's a big learning curve on this.
Yeah.
So
I'm not sure if there are genius out there that they can
yeah,
figure. If you are genius
yeah.
and you can figure out right away, I suggest you pick Davinci.
But if you're just a simple editor,
Simple guys.
same as
yeah. Yeah. Or just average.
yeah, just have a 500 MB memory.
I'm telling you, I can say I'm very technical
Yeah.
because I did work for Microsoft for more than 5 years
Okay.
doing technical
Mm.
stuff. So I can say I'm a technical guy,
Mm.
but I'm still having trouble
Yes.
figuring it out.
But they can still learn if they want.
They
Yeah.
can.
Yeah, but the problem is you have clients right now,
Mhm.
and then you cannot just jump into a new software, and
Right.
then the client, what you call this, the requirements of clients you cannot deliver
Yeah.
because you don't know how to do it yet
Yes.
on DaVinci. So you can just, I think you can learn this on the side while still using Premiere. I think that is the best thing to do. If you,
Right now.
yeah, because as you said, it has a lot of potential.
It has a lot of potential. The other problem is that they have very few tutorials out there.
Yeah, yeah. Because I think it's a new software. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
But I think time goes by and this will catch up
Yeah.
on Premiere, because there's a lot of, I think, editors and also content creators are jumping to the Premiere Pro to DaVinci.
Right.
So I think in time there
Yeah.
will be a lot of tutorials.
Or
Yeah.
they are also having trouble figuring it
Yeah,
out.
maybe.
Because
But
it's an opportunity, but we're not seeing that much
yeah.
tutorials.
Yeah.
Yeah, there. So those are I prefer Premiere
Yes, as of
and
now.
as of now.
Okay. Because your situation is different.
Mhm.
You have clients to
If
deal
I
with.
yeah, if I want to get clients, I can use Premiere. If
Yes.
I want a faster workflow,
Mhm.
I will use Premiere.
Okay. Same as I have a faster workflow in Premiere.
All right.
Yeah.
2 out of 2.
So Premiere.
Mm.
Sponsor. No. But I want to try also DaVinci
Mhm.
in time, because as you said, more potential, more powerful software, and it's fast.
So next question is